Hi everyone. Back with another video. Today we will see how to create a booming dropshipping store. So let's get started. If you don't know what is dropshipping, is basically what you do is selling things that you never have seen and touch. Dropshipping is an effective, simple way to start selling online without having to worry about shipping, fulfillment, or inventory management. Unlike traditional shipping options, dropshipping allows you to send goods without carrying inventory or paying overhead costs. First of all, choose a niche and perform product research. What type of products can I sell online? Regardless of which industry you are in, there are two types of products you can sell: commoditized products and niche products. Commoditized products are what make up the majority of online sales. Think of anything you buy at Walmart or Amazon that has a big brand behind it: food, golf clubs, clothes, kids' toys, etc. Niche products are goods or services that serve a specific customer base and product category. In many instances, these are unique, one-of-a-kind, or handmade products. Think of a unique beaded necklace, handmade frozen yogurt, or leather iPad case. How to choose what products to sell. Identify or create products that solve a problem. When you're brainstorming ideas for a product or service, it's essential you reflect on problems in your own life. Your product or service doesn't necessarily need to be a huge, complicated endeavor. It can be quite simple, yet exceptionally effective. For example, beauty and skincare brand Bliss took a trending product, improved its features while tapping into an unrealized market opportunity, and introduced it to the market with unique positioning. Bliss continues to introduce new PETA-certified, cruelty-free, clean beauty and skincare products that work for every budget. Find products you and other people are passionate about. Passionate might be a buzzword, but it carries a lot of value. Being passionate about what you do will not only help carry you through hard times, but it will also aid in crafting a brand message that speaks to people in a way that is meaningful, authentic, and engaging. Find products with branding potential. Your brand should speak to your potential customers in a way that both resonates and compels them to come back. You've identified a potential product that solves consumers' problems and comes from a place of passion. Set up an online store using Amazon. Anyone can dropship on Amazon. The only requirements are that you get approved for an Amazon seller account, comply with Amazon's requirements, and enable a third-party provider to fulfill your orders. Amazon dropshipping is a straightforward three-step process. 1. A customer purchases an item listed by a seller on Amazon. 2. Upon receiving the order, the seller purchases the product from the supplier. 3. The seller submits the order to the supplier, who then sends the product to the customer. Find a trusted supplier. Once you've selected your products, it's time to find a dropshipping supplier to fulfill orders on your behalf. You can visit AliExpress.com to find low-cost dropshipping suppliers, or read about e-commerce sites for wholesalers to find the perfect option for you. List the product on Amazon. You create product listings in your Amazon Seller Central account. Go to the Inventory tab, scroll down to Add Product, then click Create New Product Listing. Complete the required information fields, click Publish. Amazon dropshipping is a fast, easy way to sell online without creating your own store or even carrying inventory. You may prefer to use other dropshipping providers like eBay or Shopify. Here is a diagram that teaches you the basics of dropshipping on Amazon. First, an Amazon customer purchases the product you've listed on Amazon. Second, once the transaction is finalized and you receive the funds, you purchase the product directly from the supplier and give them the customer's information. Lastly, with the buyer's information in hand, the supplier then sends the product to the customer. Customer receives product and you profit. The price you charge for your product or service is one of the most important business decisions you make. Setting a price that is too high or too low will, at best, limit your business growth. At worst, it could cause serious problems for your sales and cash flow. Thus, the customer receives the product and you profit. That's it for now. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.